So I woke up at 3:30 in the morning. I did not have a great night's rest. I managed to get about 2.5, 3 hours sleep. My head was really busy and I was stressing and thinking about everything that still needs to happen. We managed to leave campus about 4:20.
Morning, it is 4:37 and we're supporting Pieter Gouws for 2 Oceans.
We got there about after 5 a.m. and so we're just kind of waiting for the time to go by. But the reality of 2 Oceans really hitting me was when I came around the corner of Dean Street and I just saw like a sea of people. There were probably like, well, I learned now there was 12,000, almost 12,100 people. And so I did my warm-ups, I did some push-ups and jogged back and forth. When the gun went off, I realized like, hey, this is it. It's go time now. And so when we started running, it took about like a minute for me to cross the line because of all the people in front of me. So I really wanted just to be focused on running a good solid time. I was aiming about 5.5 minutes on a K. So I stuck to that pace. And then I managed to reach a group, or the bus as they call it, of the 5-hour 15 bus, and about 7 Ks, and I just stuck with them. And I was going to run with them for the next 3 hours. And so it went on like that till about when we got to Oudtshoorn, it was 28 K. And for me, that was a part which I was really nervous about, like really nervous, because I just heard about this 7-kilometer like incline. So we went out and one of my toughest parts that I would say of the race was coming down Oudtshoorn. It was 3 kilometers of really steep decline, and I remember that was one of the first time I really started to be like, okay, the race is really tough. I don't know if I'll be able to, finish it in the time I want. I got concerned at a stage when the bus I felt was moving too slowly, because I was watching my time and thinking, I'm not gonna reach my 5-hour 15 mark, which I planned to do, which I was like, I really want to run 5 hours 15. I think one of the most significant parts was near the end of the race. I was about to just be like, okay, I'm over this now. And I decided to pray and be like, God, you really need to help me, otherwise I'm not going to make it. And I just remember telling myself, the Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. I shall not lack anything. Stay hard to the core of what I came here to do, and I will finish it. And so that was significant when I actually ran over the finish line, and I looked at my time and I was like 5 hours 13 minutes and 38 seconds. So achieving that was quite something special.